Okay folks, back with an update. Got the hood off of it so we can get in this tower of power. Say it right here in a minute. You can see where it's really been blowing that oil out of that rear cylinder. Hope the cylinder ain't damaged. I'm figuring on rings, but I'm not for sure. But anyway, intake. Okay folks, back with an update. Got the old head pulled off of it. You can definitely see that cylinder there is just pumping oil like crazy. All these are getting oil in them. We come over here to the head. You can tell number 6 cylinder wasn't happy. So all these valves are going to have to come out. Okay folks, I know I didn't record this. I probably should have, but anyway, I've got the exhaust manifold off of it. Did pretty good. Broke off 3 bolts. That's expected. That's really surprised me that the other ones come out as easy as they did. I pulled the 2 valves out of a number 6 cylinder. And I didn't take any pictures of how bad the valves were carboned up and oil gunk and all that on them, but they're clean. I will valve lap all of these. I will take all the rest of the valves out of the head. I will put it in the parts washer, get the head really good and clean. I still got to pull the lifters out. And like I said, I'll pull all the lifters out. I'll take them completely apart, clean them, get them back in good working order if they're savable. And hopefully there ain't anything wrong with the lifters. But anyway, if the lifters are bad, it's gonna have to replace the cam. Hopefully I won't have to do that, but we'll see once we get into it. Folks, here's an update. Back Loose Nut Garage here. Old Loose Nut. Got all the pistons out of it. Cylinders look pretty good. The crank's going to be polished, and to come, I'm going to be switching over to a GoPro, so the videos will be longer. But I laid the pistons out here, and I numbered 654321 to keep them in order.